Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making some cook-up mackerel with hard food, Jamaican style. If you want to know how to do this, keep watching.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
So for this recipe, guys, I'm using fresh mackerel. As you can see, I have 4 here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fillet the mackerel, because you know, too much mackerel just have too much bone, and trying to burn up my fingers when this is cooked and to take out bone is just not the one. So for me, the best thing for me to do is just fillet the fish before I start cooking. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Well, watch a few of my videos. Even if you like the vibe around here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. You can also follow me on all other social media platforms at Show's Home Style Kitchen. Now, as I said, what I'm doing here, I'm just literally filleting the mackerel, you know, take off the bone and trying to get as much bone as possible out. You're not gonna get everything, but at least you get most of the bones. Now, you know, with fish, you know, say there's the main middle bone, there's bones that run along the sides, you know, the little part where the belly was, you know, you got a bone there. And with the mackerel, I find that there's a bone that runs down the there's bones that runs down the middle of it. So I really try my best to get everything out. I never get everything out, as I'm saying, but you can only try. Nothing beat a try. But listen. Now you just want to go ahead and do this for all of your, well, obviously I go do it for all of them, you know. I go just do it for one and then, you know, do it for all of them, you know. I gave my mackerel, you know, I go wash with a lime, and you know the thing go over do a thing around here, like a wash with a lime and something, and yeah. And for this, guys, if you're doing it, just make sure the knife have a little sharpness on it, because I tried doing this with a dull knife and all you gotta do is mash up your fish and just aggravate your own self. So make sure you just sharpen the knife before you start this whole process. Now I'm gonna lightly season my mackerel, and I'm using my Maggi fish seasoning. I just like how them seasoning your taste like. Yeah. So, but you can use any seasoning you want. You know, if you have like all-purpose, you know, black pepper and salt, you know. But you know, we like little flavor and thing we are gonna go. Yeah. I mean, when we say black pepper and salt, you still have to go add like a garlic, this, that, you know. So just get a nice seasoning that you like. So here I have tomatoes, tomato, whatever you call it, chopped onion, sweet pepper, and you know, scotch bonnet pepper. Now for the food, I'm gonna use a little cocoa. I'm using green banana, pumpkin. You know, the girl I try to live the healthy lifestyle. So you know, I'm gonna like a wholemeal flour. I'm gonna add some cornmeal to it. Now, you know, it's the first time I was kind of working with wholemeal flour. I don't really understand the whole thing, but you know, if you're using wholemeal flour, especially if you're using it for the first time, you know, I would recommend that you add at least 1 cup of plain flour with it, just to kind of, you know, mellow out the thing a little bit until you get used to the taste. So here I'm just adding my flour and my cornmeal together. I'm gonna go in with some cold water now, because we're gonna make some dumpling. Now just, you know, knead the dough, knead your mixture until it forms a dough. Not too tough enough, and I want broken people them teeth with all tough dumpling them, you know, just a nice firm but soft dough, if that make any sense. Listen, if you know, you know. If you don't know it, then you just don't get it. But yeah. Oh my god. So here, you know, later, because I find that the wholemeal flour is a bit is really soft. So I had it, you know, just add a little bit more plain flour on it to kind of make it hold better. And don't forget your salt. Just add a little cups of salt in it. But I give the people a fresh dumpling to eat. So you know, if you know if you make dumpling, you know if you make dumpling. If you don't know how to make it, you know, you just get a piece of the dough and you're just gonna literally form like a wheel in your hand, like a cartwheel, as but you know, a cartwheel dumpling, you know, and then you just, you know, just make like a little wheel, press it out and just neaten up the edge them, so you know the dumpling them have look kind of attractive on the plate. And so now I'm gonna put these in the pot. Then I'm gonna start on, you know, the banana. Now I'm gonna go ahead, when you're peeling banana, you want to put a little bit of oil on your hand because banana can be very stainy and the oil prevents the stains on your fingers. Right? You know, you go wake up tomorrow man, my finger got black and look just a look away and just sticky. So you don't want that. Put a little bit of oil on your hand just to prevent all of this. Now you want to cut the top and the bottom of the banana and just literally slide your knife down the middle of it, kind of pushing away the skin at the same time. And that's them tutorial. It makes sense. It makes sense to me though, boy. I'm also gonna peel my coco and, you know, peel like a pumpkin and them something there, and just get ready to put everything in the pot. Now, once you peel all your thing, it's, you know, time to peel off your banana. Now, when you're peeling your banana, you just want to push the skin away from the banana itself. Now, I just say me here, I'm kind of struggling right about now. Yesterday, I wonder who I fight with who. If I fight with the banana or the banana fight with me. But master, may I tell you, some kind of fighting was going on, you know. But if you do like me on this strip, you can't peel the banana, you know, right? As you see a little skin left over on the banana, just use your knife and just peel it off. That's why more time I just put the banana in the pot, in the skin. Yeah. Now once that, you know, that over there, so I do it thing, gonna come over now and start the mackerel now, guys. One thing I would say about mackerel, I like to add a lot of tomato and onion in it, you know, because something about mackerel and tomato and onion just, you know, it just make the flavors just dance on your tongue, and it just nice, very, very nice. Now I'm gonna saute this for about 5 minutes or so, you know, get the stuff, you know, the onion and so nice and soft. Then you're gonna go ahead and add your mackerel, add a little black pepper and just cover it. Now once you cover it, believe me when I tell you, within 5 minutes this done, you know. I mean, you can push it to 7 minutes if you want, but don't leave it too long, because the mackerel will just start to dry out and it not go nice. It really not go nice. And if you have, yeah, if you have a little, you know, dry jerk mix, you can put little of that on it because it's go nice. Now I just like to go in and just kind of break it up a little bit, not too much, you know, because you know we do the thing for the grandma. We have to have a little piece of presentation where I go make the top look appealing to the eyes then. But yeah, there you have it, guys. Mackerel and food ready. Cook up mackerel Jamaican style. You see, I forgot to add a little piece of pear on them, little something there, little something there, and that's it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.